Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by getting both devices ready. Charge the Airpods and open your Samsung's Bluetooth menu. Why? Because a stable battery and active Bluetooth prevent dropped pairings. Once the case lid is open, the Airpods broadcast a discoverable signal. Make sure you're within a few feet. You'll see available devices populate the list. Tap the Airpods name when it appears. This is the first actionable step that initiates a secure connection between the two devices. Now focus on completing the pairing. Select the Airpods entry in the Available Devices list and accept any pop-up pairing requests. Why accept prompts? They exchange keys and enable audio profiles. Once paired, make sure the Bluetooth status reads connected, then open media or music and play a short clip to confirm left and right channels work. If prompts ask for permissions, grant them so features like device switching and microphone use function properly. Finish by testing controls and microphone in a call or voice memo. This confirms the correct audio profile is active. If you hit problems, reset the Airpods by holding the case button about 15 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears cached pairings and often fixes conflicts. If issues persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart your Samsung. These steps clear temporary Bluetooth stack errors. Remember, small resets resolve most glitches, so try them before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.